Gusto nyo bang malaman kung paano mag-transfer ng pera galing sa Bancnet account to other banks? Then stay with me because in this video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gawin ito. For anything else, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So guys, let's get started. So unang gagawin is go to your browser and key in or type nyo lang banknetonline.com and then search. Of course, then you will be routed to this page na makikita nyo sa screen. Ito na po yun. And then since we already done with the registration online, then let's log in. Okay, we have our user ID and password as you can see on your screen. Input nyo lang po dyan and then click login. And once you're logged in, you can see the DBP logo. Click that one. Once you click that one, then you can see the security message. You can just continue. Click continue. The upper left corner, just click enter bank fund transfer and send one-time PIN. And once you receive input there, but once you're not, then resend it. And then a notification will show that successfully validated. Here, just like choose account type, then transaction amount, then choose any bank that you wish to transfer money to. There are quite a lot of banks here: China Bank Savings, China Banking Corporation, Citibank, Citystate Saving, DBP, Dumaguete Bank, East West Entrepreneur, Equicom, HSBC, Isla Bank, Korea Exchange Bank, Land Bank, Luzon Development Bank, SPECC, Malayan Bank, Maybank, Nation Link, PNB, Philippine Veterans Bank, and a lot more. You see PB, Union Bank, and lastly the Wealth Bank. Choose that one and enter amount, enter PIN, and click submit. And then a notification will pop up. And I'm done here. And that's it. It's a receipt that you successfully transferred money. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. And please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. And hit the notification bell for more updates with the upcoming tutorial and anything that I upload in this channel. So thank you so much, and I hope you will comment down and share this video. Thank you so much, and goodbye.